Hello, I'm Damon McCool, Public Programming Specialist at Eastern State Penitentiary, filling in for Marnie Penn. Welcome back to Prisons in the Pandemic, where we examine the ways COVID-19 is impacting the lives of incarcerated people, prison staff, administrators, and other stakeholders within the criminal justice system. There are now 45,026 confirmed cases of incarcerated people with COVID-19. In total, 517 incarcerated people have died from the virus. Cases among prison staff now total 10,808, and staff deaths now total 50. Let's take a look at one story from our area making news this week. Dozens of family members, activists, religious leaders, and other supporters participated in a funeral procession in Trenton, New Jersey last week to publicly mourn the 43 people in state custody who have died of COVID-19. Despite an executive order signed by Governor Phil Murphy in early April that cleared the way for vulnerable prisoners to be released amidst the pandemic, only a small number have been discharged. Nearly 3,000 people meet the criteria laid out in Murphy's order, including elderly individuals, those with compromised immune systems, and those due to be released within 3 months. But only 337 had been released by late May. New Jersey has the highest COVID-19 death rate and one of the highest infection rates among the nation's prisons. Of the 18,000 people in the state's prisons, youth facilities, and halfway houses, nearly 2,000 have tested positive for the virus. Nearly 800 staff have also been infected. And since last week's funeral procession, 3 more individuals in New Jersey state custody have died from the virus. What are some other ways we can memorialize people who have died from COVID-19 in prison? We look forward to hearing your feedback. My name is Damon McCool. Thank you for joining us for Prisons in the Pandemic.